morning, guys. Welcome to a new video. In this video is a day in life of a forex trader. So I'm here in Portugal, south of Portugal, Algarve. I just woke up 8 a.m. and look the sun, so clean. Here is always like that. This is always summer in the full year. As you can see, here is winter here in Portugal. And look, the weather is perfect. So yeah, I will just take my coffee and next see you guys in the pool. Okay, I will swim a bit because I do fasting, and during my fasting I like to just take my coffee and exercise my body and my mind and prepare for the lunch, and next take my trade. Okay, see you guys in the pool. So yeah, guys, I'm here now in the pool. As you can see, I will go swim a bit. It's sunny now. In the morning, was raining during the night, but now is a good weather. So yeah, I will go to the swim now, as you can see here, and next I will go to Jacuzzi just to relax a bit before go to the lunch. Okay, so yeah, I like to exercise a bit before the lunch because I do fasting. So yeah, in the morning I'm in fasting, so I like to exercise my body and my mind. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. I will go swim, and next I will show you more the jacuzzi. Yeah, guys, I start with my walking. I will do at least maybe 15k steps, because here is so easy, because you don't have like up and down. It's just go straight. It's very easy to hit our step goal. So yeah, I walk here every single day, and yeah, you can see the landscape here is so perfect. It's like every single day sunny days, and the landscape is completely wonderful, as you can see. But yeah. So yeah, guys, I finished to my lunch. I'm so fulfilled because yeah, I hate a lot sushi and Chinese food. So yeah, now I'm walking again. We'll finish to hit my step target between 15 and 20k. Here is so easy, and you can see here the beach is so large, so big, this beach, as you can see. But yeah, it's so sunny day, and I will now continue my walking. So yeah, I reached half of my steps, my walking. I love this spot here. Look at this. Is a marina. You see many boats there, and this house is yellow, orange, and more dark orange. And yeah, these houses is to rent for holidays, or you can buy it to live there too. And you can see there, it's crazy. This view is absolutely crazy, man. Look the size of this beach. So yeah guys, I'm in the trade now. It's time to trade. Nasdaq opened, price consolidates a bit, but I was inside the 4-hour zone. So let's see. I'm looking for sales now, and the trade was near to my break-even, but is consolidating a lot now. Let's see if we'll be break-even, win or loss. I don't care. I'm walking, so just set and forget. I have an alert for when price reach 1 hour, is when I move SL to break even. So yeah guys, I'm trading with this view for the first time because I have a habit of trading just on my PC on desk, but today I decided to give a try on trade during my walking, and because maybe because I'm confident this week, because it was a nice week without losses, so I just give a try of trade while I'm walking with this landscape, and because it's sunny day, so why I stay in the desk if I can just walk with this view and trade at the same time. So I will update you guys, and yeah. So yeah guys, the trade today was break even, as you can see here, the screenshot, break even, yeah. But yeah, I finished the week without losses, so it's a good week in my opinion. I finished with the profit, and yeah, I have 15k steps now, and I will walk more later in the night. So you can see here is so easy to hit your steps target, because yeah, the sun, the weather, the nature here, the landscapes is a motivation to push you to improve your mind and your body. Here is so easy. So south of Portugal is a paradise, as you can see. Yeah, now I will go relax a bit in swimming pool, and after I will go to the jacuzzi again, and later I will walk again to the center to maybe drink something and eat something too. Yeah, see you guys. So I will break down my trade from Friday. You guys saw that I have a break even. So in 4 hour I have this resistance, and I have this support here. Let me see, Friday, exactly like this. And on 5 minutes my trade was, let me see, Friday here. Okay, in this opened, and my zones was this support here on 5 minutes, and for buys I only have, let me see here. Okay, why? Because I don't buy against or inside the 4-hour POI. It's too risky. For example, here, imagine you enter here, you would have a loss because you are entered against the 4-hour POI. So in this session I was only looking for sales, and here we see price closed below this POI on 5 minutes, as you can see on this white candle, and at the same time we have the moving average above it. So I would set my limit enter on retest of this zone, 25 pips SL, and as you can see, price reached 1 hour. I moved SL to break even, and next candle just hit my break even and saved me from a loss. So this is why I love to use the break even. So yeah guys, this was the trade I had on Friday while I was walking on the beach. So was very good trade because was my first trade, maybe on mobile, because I just like to trade on desktop. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm back again. I finished with the jacuzzi and swimming pool. Now I will go out again to the center. I go there. I have a gate, and I go center. Is 10-12 minutes walking until the center, and there we have many restaurants and the beach, the bars and pubs and clubs. So yeah, will be nice because I have many lights, music. So yeah, and I will go do more steps. I'm now with the 15k, so let's see how many steps I will make until I go sleep. Let's see. But yeah, see you guys there. I will hit something out, and yeah, and maybe. So yeah, guys, I'm here again. I was hitting something. Now I'm returning to home, and yeah, I think I will finish the day with maybe 20k steps. But yeah, what is very good for me is like my goal between 15 and 20k. About trading, we finish a amazing week with 0 losses, and I want to finish this video with something about psychology that helped me so much. What is to be profitable, you don't need like a holy grail strategy. What you need is choose a strategy that work, that have like data from back testing or front testing, something like that, that you know that is a strategy that work for a long time. Okay, and the other thing is, after you choose your strategy, no matter if it's a ICT, SMC, support and resistance, indicators, no matter what matter is you pick a strategy, and you need to stop jumping strategies. That is the most secret thing. And the other thing is the risk management, of course, because if you don't have a good risk management, you will blow your account so easily, no matter if the strategy is good or not. But for me, the most important thing, because my risk management always was so good, I could survive a full year with a challenge without fail the challenge. So you can see my risk management was always good, because so I never over risked and I never over traded. That is the most important thing. You need to start do it when you start trading, okay? Because if you over risk, you will lose the account so fast. And over trades is like a revenge trade, okay? This is why for me is one trade a day, no matter what, break even, win or loss. I just take one shot a day. Okay, so yeah, don't jump strategy for me was the most crucial thing, because for many years I was just trying a strategy. When you have like a losing streak, you want to jump strategies, okay? So if you jump strategy, imagine you are in a losing streak. When you change to other strategy, you maybe will start with a losing streak on the other strategy, okay? And will be a no finish and no finish ending about losing streak. So it's a vicious cycles, okay? So yeah, guys, before I end the video, I think it's important to talk about it because that was my main key to be profitable finally on trading. I chose a simple strategy because the simple is the best, guys. Don't go with the complex stuff. Simple. I just do simple support and retest, break and retest. Support and resistance is the most simple thing. Okay? The other thing is the risk management and keep simple. So this is why I created my trading plan and follow that every day as a checklist. So I just trade 1 hour and a half per day, one session, one pair, one trade a day, and the risk is like always the same, 1% per trade. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I think I will finish the video here. So yeah, guys, see you.